find the slope, we are to take these two ordered pairs, -2 and 2 and -6 and 4, and graph them in the coordinate plane on the left. We're also to find the slope. So let's start by graphing these 2 points. The first point is -2, +2. And the second point is -6, +4. So we can go ahead and draw our line. And now we want to find the slope. So we can use our slope formula. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And here we can have our first point be x1, y1, x2, and y2. So m is equal to y2, which is 4, minus y1, which is 2, over x2, -6, minus x1, which is -2. So slope is going to equal to 2 over -6 plus 2. It's plus 2 because we have a negative and a negative become plus 2. So that's going to equal to 2 over -4. And we want to go ahead and simplify further. And we can see that the numerator and denominator have a greatest common factor of 2. So we can divide the numerator by 2, which gives us 1, and the denominator by 2, which is going to give us -2. And this here is our slope. Let's do the same with question number 6. -4, -2, 0, -2. So we have -4, -2, and we have 0, -2. So we have a horizontal line as our graph. And we're now to find the slope. So slope is equal to y2, which is -2, minus y1, which is -2, over x2, 0, minus x1, -4. So we can rewrite this as -2 plus 2 over 4. The negative and the negative turns into a positive 2, and the negative and the negative turns into a positive 4. So if we go ahead and work out -2 plus 2, that's 0 over 4. And if we were going to simplify the slope, that's going to equal to a slope of 0. And I'm going to put a box around that. Alright, so number 7, we have the point -3, 2, and -3, -1. -3, +2 is going to take us to here. And -3, -1 is going to give us that point there. So in this case, we have a vertical line. Let's find out what the slope looks like on a vertical line. M is equal to y2, -1, minus y1, 2. And that's over -3, x2, minus x1, minus a -3. So let's simplify the numerator. That becomes -3 over -3 plus 3. This minus and a minus turns into a positive. And so what we get here is -3 over 0. And a fraction with the 0 in the denominator is undefined. And that's what our slope is here. It is undefined. I'm going to put a box around that.